Many people in Puttaparthi made their living selling these small souvenirs, small medallions, small items for the thousands of people who actually came into Puttaparthi when Satya Sai Baba was alive. अभी business कम है क्या?
हाँ मैंने अब बाबा आते सब 1000 रुपये 2000 चलता था, अब 100 रुपये लेने को मुश्किल होता है, बहुत मुश्किल होता है। लाख ऐसे पैसे भी आता नहीं, हमारा मजूर भी पैसे नहीं आया। अभी क्या करेंगे ना, वो अभी सूझना आता है। अभी पहले कैसे चलता है कि देखो, अब दूसरा गाँव जाने का तैयार करने का है।
ముందు బాగానే అవుతుండా ఈరోజు బాబా చనిపోయినటువంటి ఏమి కాల వ్యాపారమే లేదు చాలా ఇదిగా ఉండదు పరిస్థితే సరిలేదు.
Many hotel rooms are vacant. The hotel we stayed in had dropped its rate almost 40% from the time we visited there when Satya Sai Baba was still alive. Restaurants are also facing a significant drop in business.
क्लोज रेस्टोरेंट जैसे बिजनेस अभी डाउन है, इसके लिए अभी क्लोज करके रखा है। ये एक 15 दिन या गुरु पूर्णिमा के पहले स्टार्ट करेंगे, इसके बाद देखते हैं कैसा है।
Basha used to make a living selling these ready-made garments in the town of Puttaparthi to the many visitors who came here. कैसा है अभी बिजनेस?
बिजनेस तो बहुत डल है मैडम। बाबा ही टाइम पर बहुत अच्छा इंप्रूवमेंट होता था, बहुत नवे लोग आते थे, नवे व्यापार होता था। हमको 2000 3000 4000 तक व्यापार होता था, लेकिन अभी बाबा साहब नहीं ही टाइम पे 1000 रुपये 500 रुपये 1500 रुपये तक डल हो गया।
Pilgrims do, of course, still visit. And those with faith believe the town will always be a spiritual magnet for followers of Sai Baba, as Shirdi is for the devotees of Shirdi Sai Baba, even so long after his death. Trustees of the enormously wealthy Sri Satya Sai Central Trust urge people of the town to keep the faith. Already we have heard people saying that business is coming down, the visitors are fewer without the physical presence of Satya Sai Baba. Will the town survive this?
Yeah. After a world stature personality of like a Baba who has got a world stature, when he leaves his physical body, and it's a very shocking incident that happened to this town. This town is never known to anybody without Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba. So naturally now we are in that shock period. So it's a very big event, and we are all everybody in the shock. So I think it takes a while, maybe another couple of months, for us to put back everything and get back to normalcy.
What do you see as the future of the town of Puttaparthi? Will it survive?
Puttaparthi will not only survive, it will thrive. Definitely the number of devotees will increase. As soon as the Samadhi is opened, we will see more and more people coming. Bhagwan's manifestations all over the world, people are experiencing his presence like never before. So they will definitely come to Puttaparthi, and I don't think that the people in Puttaparthi will have the times of which they are facing now for a long time.
The work of the hospital continues, funded by the trust. The schools and colleges are still running on schedule. But the concern is clearly visible on the faces of those who made their home in Puttaparthi, not for spiritual reasons, or not only for spiritual reasons. The many who came here hoping to earn enough to keep body and soul together. Amir Khan's business has greatly reduced. Lots of people here make their living from selling trinkets to the pilgrims, from selling food to them, providing hotel accommodation. Business here in Puttaparthi was always seasonal. When Satya Sai Baba was in town, there were more people here. But now he is gone. And apart from the grief of his followers, those people who depended on him for their livelihood here in Puttaparthi are very badly hit. Puttaparthi, the small town at the heart of Satya Sai Baba's spiritual empire. An empire that is coming increasingly under scrutiny after allegations of financial irregularity. The Satya Sai Trust is worth crores of rupees, and there are charges that perhaps some of this money has been siphoned away illegally.
NDTV's Cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.